Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 7th, Friday morning, and some key economic data this morning that traders in the livestock and the grains will be watching closely, and that's the non-farm payroll. The expectation is for an average of 170,000 to be up 170,000. The unemployment rate to stay the same at 7.5%, so that should be out here in a few minutes. The grain market is finding support this morning just from a wetter tone in forecast. The systems that Drew Lerner is talking about from World Weather Inc. We've got a few days of open weather here into the weekend, and then systems move 2, 3, some even got 4 systems over the next 15 days moving through the Midwest that will definitely make it a chore to get this planning complete this year. The other news is talk of China buying. Will they buy old crop? Will they buy new crop? That is the discussion, and certainly providing some support to the grain complex here this morning. We've also got fund rolling today. Goldman and UBS Bank is expected to start their well-touted roll that they do on a monthly basis. So they will be rolling out of the July contract into a deferred contract, and that's some of the reason why we've seen the old crop, new crop spreads adjust as dramatically as they did yesterday on the close. So we'll be watching that again today as we close out the week. The trade also will be focusing on next week's supply-demand report. That comes out on Wednesday at 11 o'clock. We'll be discussing that more as we get closer to the report. But the key number there, I think, is going to be the ending stocks for soybeans. With the crush running as high as it is, the export sales is as strong as they've been for soybeans, it gets very difficult to adjust the numbers to make them come out at ending stocks of 125 million bushels. So we'll see how the government does that. Will they create more imports? Will they adjust out of the other areas on the supply-demand sheet? So we're going to be monitoring that very closely. The other part of it will be how acres will change for new crop. Average now in talking to reporters, they feel like from their conversations that we could be 2 to 2.5 million acres less on corn, and an increase of about 500,000 acres on soybeans. So be watching that, and that main report comes out on the 28th of June. So we've got some very key reports coming out here over the next several weeks that will create volatility in the market. In the livestock trade, we've got still very tight supplies of market-ready hogs. That's providing support to the nearby hog complex. Cutout values not changing very much. Pork down about 28 cents yesterday. Choice beef was down 77. Select was up 28. We're still waiting for this cash cattle trade to develop this week. Packers bidding 121, feedlots offering 24 to 25. So we'll see how that goes. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning.